What the heck is a good woodworking shop apron? Hola woodworkers, Paul Carlson here, small workshop guy. If you're a beginning woodworker, maybe you haven't tried an apron yet, you might want to give it a try. I've gone through several models before I found one that I really liked. First of all, why would you want to consider wearing a shop apron? Well, the whole idea is to have a lot of things with you wherever you are. You don't have to go across the workshop and find them. Some of the primary things, and I've got other videos on what I wear in my shop aprons, but obviously having a little speed square of some sort, you know, and if that one's too big, then you can have a little speed square. But your tape measure, your maybe when you get into calipers, which you will get into calipers if you do a lot of woodworking someday, I think. I couldn't live without them. I don't know how you guys do it. You're gonna have marking knives, you're gonna have erasers, you're gonna have chalk, you're gonna have little tongue depressor so you can spread glue, magnetic telescoping things so that when you drop something behind a tool somewhere or inside of, you drop that nut inside of your table saw, you can get in there and get it. Just all sorts of things that are handy. I got a flashlight in here. I got a hole puncher to start holes. You know, just load it up. You're going to load it up with different things than I am, but that doesn't matter. The idea is a shop apron something that you want to do? Obviously, it maybe also protects your clothes, but you probably shouldn't be wearing good clothes in a workshop anyway. Well, I think they're very valuable. This one, Jonathan Katz-Moses has customized it. It's got a leather pouch on here that will hold your double square or your combination square, your little 6-incher. Actually, probably a 12-incher, but that would stick out a ways. And he's got a pocket here to hold your scribing knife or your marking knife, and that's a couple really nice enhancements. I like this one. You get it through Jonathan Katz-Moses off of his website. There's an identical one missing the customized pouch and the marking knife holder on Amazon. I'll put a link to that down below. But I prefer if you support our fellow woodworker who really puts out some great content. As I always say, you can't stop the waves, but you can learn to surf. Small Workshop Guy, signing off.